Hey, what's up, Matt? Dude, you're working wonders for our business, man. We're 30 days in after being really skeptical about what you were trying to sell us, but dude, you got us sold, man. We went from 17 grand last month, which was a pretty average month for us. A couple months we were above that, a couple months we were below that. But here we are, 30 days in, almost to the day, and we're for $60,000, man. This is the best decision we have ever made, and we cannot thank Matt enough for this. Auto Shop Media, guys, if you're out there watching this video and it's something you're considering, do it. Dive in head first. I'm telling you, it's definitely worth it. Check it out. Listen to what Matt has to say. Best thing I liked about it, there was no contract. I don't like being tied down, and it's paid off for us. We will definitely continue and can't wait to do it again for another 30 days and see where we go. Thanks again, Matt. We appreciate it.
Thanks, man.